I have my last and final drink for you guys. And this is a great drink for the summertime. It's a pineapple coconut margarita. It's really easy to make. We're just gonna start. Here we go. So you got your margarita glass, and you have your blender, not your shaker. I'm so used to using shakers, but we're gonna use a blender on this one. We're gonna fill up the blender with about a half a cup of ice. There we go. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of tequila, which is about an 8 count. And it's coming out really, I have to pour a little more because this is barely coming out. And then we have our margarita mix. We're gonna do a 4 ounce, which is a 16 count. So, but you're gonna pour it very, like it's coming out of one of these spout. Oh, not like that. Okay. That's about 4 ounces. There we go. And then we're gonna use 2 of our flavors. We're gonna go with Flavor Art Coconut, and we're gonna use about 2 drops. I'm gonna go with 4 because I love coconut flavor. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Flavor Art is a very yummy flavor. And then we're gonna go with Capella Golden Pineapple. And I'm gonna go with 4 drops of this also. 4. And that's it. I think, yeah, that's about it. You got your ice, you got your tequila, you have your margarita mix. And I'm thinking I feel like I'm missing something, but no, that's about it. I'm reading it right here. Margarita mix, tequila, pineapple flavor, coconut, ice. Okay, we got it. We're gonna blend her up. Here we go. All right, still a few ice cubes in there. Then we're gonna take our margarita glass. You're going to rim the glass with corn syrup, like I have here. Here we go. And then you are going to dip that right into some sugar. You can do salt if you'd like. I like sugar with this one because it's a nice pineapple coconut flavor. So there you go. And then you pour it right in. And here you have it. Your pineapple coconut margarita. Cheers, guys. Have a great summer. Hey guys, if you like that drink, click below for the next one, Pomegranate Cosmo. Pineapple coconut margarita. It's very, very tasty.